So, pasok muna po tayo sa fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So, ano ba yung fundamental and ano ba yung technical? So, fundamental is basically you are studying, the world news, ano yung mga global events, and ito yung actually what drives the market to a certain price. So, for example, maraming gera, merong kaguluhan sa mundo, naggera yung Russia and Ukraine. Usually, the safe haven currencies like gold, they actually tend to go up. Okay? Because yung mga investors, iisipin natin, kung investor ka, where do you actually put your money? And since gold is considered as a safe haven, just like the Japanese yen, gold will actually drive up. Okay? So yun yung mga fundamental analysis natin. So, maraming site to visit, and I'm going to post the site. So, number one site that you should actually be visiting right now is forexfactory.com. So dito kayo magbabasa ng mga current events, ano yung mga nangyayari sa buong mundo on every currency or mga bansang tinetrade nyo. For example, trader ka ng AUD USD, so you may want to actually kind of study yung economy ng AUD. Do they have a good interest rate? Malakas ba yung mga job hiring nila? Marami bang building permits na nangyayari? So for example, bakit importante yung job hiring numbers? So basically, if yung job hiring is mataas, ibig sabihin yung mga company, they are growing. Ibig sabihin the economy of the country is also growing. Okay? Very simple. So hindi po ako economist. Very basic lang po yung tinitingnan ko sa fundamental, but it drives. So for example, balik po tayo ng COVID 2020, no? So ano po ang nangyari sa price ng oil? Price of oil went down to -0 per barrel. Okay? Naisip niyo? So hindi pa ako masyadong nagfo-forex no, nagsisimula pa lang ako, but marami pong naging milyonaryo during that year kasi yung mga professional trader, they know that if everybody is on lockdown, therefore yung transportation will also die down, and that will actually drive the supply of oil to zero kasi wala naman nagta-travel, walang nagde-demand, so ibig sabihin yung price ng oil bumaba po. So if you're buying oil during the COVID season, then therefore you're gonna be losing money. So yan yung mga iniisip natin. If you are an investor, saan ka ba mag-i-invest? Anong currency? Kasi you keep on buying currency that has a better return for your money. Okay? So just like when the Japanese yen nag-crash, ibig sabihin all-time low. Okay? Pumanik po ng 162. Yung dollar, USD to JPY, $1 is equals to 162 yen. Ibig sabihin, bakit ba nangyari yun, Rudolph? This is because of the interest rate naman. Yung interest rate ng Japan, -10%. So anong ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin, if you put your money on any bank in Japan, you will instantly lose -10%. Nakita nyo? So dito, nag-o-offer ng interest rate yung Pilipinas ng, positive interest rate. Pero yung US, they actually went up to 5% per annum. So ibig sabihin, kung ikaw investor ka, saan mo ilalagay yung pera mo? Sa US dollar ba or Japanese yen? So where do you actually put your money? So you put your money on the US dollar. So ganun lang po yung fundamental natin. And then yung sa technical, dyan po natin makikita kung yung saan tayo possible bumili for a better price. So especially if you're an investor, you want a discount, you want a better price. You don't want to actually buy on the top. So technical analysis is the study of price movement based on history. So ito yung mga site na kailangan mong i-visit. Yung na-mention ko kanina, forexfactory.com. Number 2 is myfxbook.com. And number 3, fxstreet.com. Of course, hindi po natin papahabain itong video kasi marami pa tayong mga pag-uusapan, no? Just like yung mga advanced na COT data, kung saan nakikita natin yung mga positions ng mga big hedge funds, kung saan sila naglalagay, kung nag-short pa sila or nag-a-add sila ng mga long. But this video is intended to actually open up your mind that fundamentals will drive the price on a direction. Yung technical naman po, dyan nyo po gagamitin sa chart. Yan po yung pagpa-plot nyo po ng mga indicators, mga support and resistance, and of course, analyzing yung mga chart patterns na i-discuss din natin dito sa course natin. So chart patterns, they keep on repeating all over and all over and all over again. Okay? Kasi yung mga chart patterns natin, pare-pares lang yan on every chart. It happens on every chart. Nagkakatalo lang yan kung gaano ka ba ka-patient or gaano ba ka-keen yung eye mo to spot on this chart pattern. So if you have the capacity to memorize yung mga chart patterns natin, you will have a slight advantage on trading any market. Okay? So yun lang po, no? So punta muna po tayo sa technical analysis, punta po tayo sa trading view. So dito sa trading view sa gold, makikita natin that in chart, kung titingnan po natin muna yung weekly, no? Tingnan natin yung weekly, we can see that every week the price of gold just keeps on pumping up. Okay, so pasok tayo sa technical analysis, punta naman po tayo sa daily. So makikita natin sa daily that the gold is actually trending up. So ano yung plan natin for the gold? So we can I actually use a lot of triangles. I mean rectangle pala on my technical analysis just to find, you know, a valid support and resistance. So valid support, na-discuss natin. A support is an area where buyers are most active, and resistance naman is where an area where sellers are most active. So maraming sellers. So titingnan natin dito sa chart na to, guys. Saan nyo ba nakikita ang maraming buyers? Saan nag-pump yung price? So ibig sabihin, we can actually draw a support over here. Ibig sabihin, dito sa price na to, 2470, merong mga hedge funds and big players, market makers na bumili ng gold on this price, making, you know, the gold push higher. Okay? Also, we can also see that the gold actually pump over here. And titingnan natin kung sa daily, ano yung malalakas na support. So makikita natin sa daily, lagi nyo tatandaan, the higher the time frame, the stronger the support and resistance. So ibig sabihin, makikita natin dito, yung gold, no? They tried to break below 2279, 2280, pero hindi. Pumasok po yung mga buyers here, pump the price up. Now, bakit siya bumagsak? They took profit. They wanna buy again on that price, and then they take profit. They wanna buy again on that price, and then like that. Okay? Then push up. Then, they wait for a discount, and they buy again at this price. Makikita natin, at this price of 2350, nag-pump ulit yung gold. It went down in the same area and pump again. So these are the areas sa technical analysis na hahanapin mo kung saan ka possible mag-enter. Ano yung mga candlestick pattern, yung mga diniscuss ko sa inyo, yung mga bullish engulfing, yung mga 3 white cross, yun po yung hahanapin nyo for confirmation before entering a trade. So makikita natin sa 4 hours, makikita natin dito dito nag-pump yung gold. And saan naman nag-push down is this area. So if you want to short gold, dito ka po maghahanap ng confirmation o candlestick formation, yung mga candlestick, yung mga bearish engulfing natin to possibly sell gold. At saan ka naman bibili? Of course, saan ba nagpakita ng interest yung mga buyers? Dito sa area na to. So again, I'm not gonna go exactly super deep in this one because this is just an opener kung ano ba yung technical and what drives the market higher and lower. So if there are more buyers on the market, very attractive yung pair, malakas yung currency, the price of that currency will keep on going up. Okay? So yun lang po yung sa video na to, and congratulations for learning the basic of fundamental and technical analysis.